Amit Shah has remained evasive on the Election Commission's notice that was served to him for the revenge poll pitch.
आपके हर इश्यू का जवाब पार्टी के प्रवक्ता देंगे, मैं कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता.
And in fact, earlier his lawyer has cancelled the plea to withdraw the FIR against him.
जब सुनवाई प्रारंभ हुई तो उसी समय अमित शाह के अधिवक्ता के द्वारा ये कहा गया कि हम इस मुकदमे को चलाना नहीं चाहते हैं, इसको नॉट प्रेस करना चाहते हैं, वापस लेना चाहते हैं और कोर्ट से रिक्वेस्ट की कि भाई इसे उन्हें वापस लेने की अनुमति दी जाए. उनकी प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर ली गई.
ये किस लिए वापस ली गई, क्या कारण?
अब उन्होंने कारण दिया है कि भाई इलेक्शन कमीशन ने जो कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट के वायलेशन की नोटिस दी है वो उनको बाद में मिली है. रिपिटिशन पहले ड्राफ्ट हो चुकी थी, इस कारण रिपिटिशन दाखिल हो गई और अब उसका चूंकि जवाब देंगे, जवाब देने के बाद सुनवाई होगी, तब उसके बाद अगर आवश्यकता पड़ती है तो उन्हें फिर चैलेंज करेंगे.
Well, Padmaja Joshi is reporting on this. Padmaja, he's dodging questions, but also that his lawyer has actually withdrawn that plea. Now, bring us up to speed with the latest developments.
Well, in fact, today morning, the Election Commissioner had spoken to Times Now and has said that the reply given on the entire issue regarding him making that revenge comment, the reply of the BJP will not suffice, and since the notice has been issued to Amit Shah, he will have to reply. He will personally have to furnish a reply to the notice from the Election Commission. Earlier also, when Amit Shah, we tried to speak to Amit Shah, when Times Now approached him, he said, I will give a clarification very soon. So far, he's been completely mum. But you're right, Nupur. What is very interesting is the fact that his lawyer has withdrawn that plea against the two FIRs that have been filed against him by the UP government. Clearly, the BJP at this point seems to be in the mood to play the martyr card, to say that Amit Shah has done nothing wrong. Remember, even in its reply to the Election Commission, the BJP delegation had said that there seems to be the deliberate omission of a few words from the transcript of the CDs that were provided by the UP government to the Election Commission. They're given specific examples about how some words were entirely different in the speech that Amit Shah made, and entirely different words were put in the transcript which was given by the UP administration. So they tried to imply a clear conspiracy by the UP government, or only because they were scared of how Amit Shah would lead to a resurgence of the party in Uttar Pradesh. That's what the BJP had said. In fact, in their official reply, they had said that all the charges against him are unsubstantiated. It was not meant to be a hate speech. The only thing that Amit Shah was trying to say is that use your vote as a tool of revenge, metaphorically speaking, against the UP administration, Nupur.
Right, Padmaja.